Let's see something in design review. One of the tool used for design revision is RevCloud. Alright, in Revision Cloud, the first option is arc length. In arc length, what we would like to do here is, arc length got some restrictions here. Minimum arc length and maximum arc length. So maximum arc length shall always be less than or equal to 3 times that of minimum arc length. We got a crow here, just making me crazy. Maximum arc length shall be less than or equal to 3 times that of minimum arc length. So arc length, enter something for minimum arc length, entered 1, and enter the maximum arc length. Okay, if I entered 5, I might get some sort of errors, and they'll told the maximum arc length cannot exceed 3 times that of minimum arc length. So specifying the arc length, the type is rectangular, so it means that I can pick up the first point and the second diagonal points to fix up this revision cloud right here. So that's a revision cloud. Next option we can have is we got a polygonal revision cloud, which allows you to pick the vertex and thereby creating a revision cloud. Next option, we can convert any object right into a revision cloud by getting into here. I can pick up object and I like to select the object. Whether if you want to reverse the direction, you can pick up yes. Reversing the direction will turn up the curvature to the other direction, as now it's pointing inwards. If I reverse it, I'll be pointing outwards. Alright, then as freehand, you can draw. The asset will follow your cursor. That's it. Last option is style. I got 2 type of style here. The first one is normal style and the second one is calligraphy. Calligraphy, which means you can have some sort of like a calligraphy pen. The start of the arc will be narrower than the end of the arc. Okay, you can see that thinner, thicker, thinner, thicker. Alright, so it's a different style. In the normal style, getting to style, you got normal style, which is something which can be shown up right here. You can modify the stuff, just select the asset, and we can just convert this right in here, and you can pick up the side to erase. Okay, that's it. I don't want to reverse the direction here. Modify, then you select the polyline. You can pick up the first point anywhere here. Okay, then you can delete, pick up the side for delete. That's all about revision cloud here. Now let's get into some of the true aspects of revision clouds. Okay, I'm having something right here. I get into layout, turn off the grid. Alright, I'll place this stuff right here, and next thing I like to publish into a DWF. This one is trial 1. It's in the format DWF. And also I like to save the drawing. This is for trial 1.dwg. Alright, that's the procedure in AutoCAD. Let's close it. We have a new software called as Autodesk Design Review, which is free of cost. In here, I'd like to open the file. We'll be opening files in the format of DWF here. Opening the file. You get some steps here, and I can make a revision right into this drawing from design review. Okay, in here I can have various sort of callouts here. These are the different type of callout. Alright, I can have first point, and I can type trim here. Okay, formatting can be done from here. Okay, I can like to, well, just have a rectangular thing. Okay, then I can place this asset right here. Thinner. I can make it more thinner. Okay, then you can measure the dimension here, I can use the first point here and the second point right here. Not so precise here. Alright, we can also check up the dimensions by using this tool, either getting the length and it will pick up 2 points, first point here and second point here. We show the length is 55. Okay, approximately 55 here. So if you have some sort of dimensions here, you can right anyway check up this using design review and understand whether your employee has played some sort of cheat here. Alright, that's it. Well, that's enough. Then you can save this thing. Okay, save it here, and finally you can close it. And AutoCAD. And AutoCAD, I can go for markup. Markup. Right, come on. Markup. In here, everything goes right here. I can open a file. I can open the saved DXF from here. Alright, I got a couple of things here, trim here, so there's nothing sort here, so I can open the sheet, and I would like to pick up the drawing file associated with that. It could be like trial 1, I think. Alright, you can see that. If you're in the layout, get into paper space before any sort of manipulation here. You can have some trim here, so I'll get into the mold space and I'll trim. Okay, then that's it. Now I don't understand what the guy had written here, so I get into paper space. Everything will mess up if you didn't get into paper space, so something like this will happen. So always trying to get into paper space. I didn't understand what you mean by thinner, so I will ask him markup status question. So what do you mean by thinner? Okay, you can ask a sort of question here. Alright, that's it. Afterwards, I can get into here. I can right click on this and I can republish markup sheets. Get into drawing file. It is child 1 itself. Yeah. Alright, afterwards I can save markup history changes. That will get rid of all the unwanted markup assets right in our drawing. Alright, getting the manager's part, I'm gonna close AutoCAD. Alright, in here I have completed this thing. You can see a check mark right here. In thinner, I got a question. Alright, I got a question right here. Status change question. What do you mean by thinner? Okay, it's not possible. Okay, you can enter that. You have to decrease the asset width. Alright, that's it. I can save the changes, close it, turn up AutoCAD. Well, I like to open markup drawing here. I got a reply here. You have to decrease, come on, you have to decrease the asset width here. So one more thing I can do here is get in here and I like to open the sheet. Alright, get into paper space and I made something like this. You can see I made it thinner. Alright, then here I can size done.